guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautybyadaa here, and in today's video, by the thumbnail you already know we are going to be doing this fauxlocs, individual fauxlocs. So I'll be showing you guys how to do this fauxlocs. It's like beginner friendly and it's so easy to learn. And if you are a new subscriber, you're hearing this voice for the first time, please click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post new videos. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and tuning in. So today guys, I started off from the back because I did this on the back because she doesn't really have much hair there. But how you're supposed to do this is you're supposed to braid the hair individually, you know, do the individual braids and then use the crochet method. But now I did the back one the way I did it, more like braiding it. This is just like this, braiding it from the roots because she does not have enough hair right there. Her hair isn't long enough right there to do the individual braids. So after doing this that I just use that technique because of the obvious reason. And after doing that, I'm going to be doing the individual braids on the longer part of her hair. So this is what you do if your hair isn't so long enough to do the individual braids before starting up. So this is what I do. And you see, I try to wrap it my Cuban twist. I try to separate them more so they become flatter and then they can cover more places as you keep going. It won't take much time when you do it that way. It covers more space right there. So you keep wrapping it around until you get to the last part of the hair. Then you wrap it, you keep going, you go all the way up. Wrap it like going up. I don't know if that makes sense, but wrap it going up, and then that is what you do. Then I use my lighter, I burn it, and then that's it. Just wrap it around like that. So I will definitely be showing you guys. You will definitely be seeing more of how I do that. I will definitely show more. I just had to fast track it a little bit so we don't sleep here today, right? So you will definitely be seeing more. There's a place where in the video where I did the normal speed, I did no speed up or anything, so that way you understand it better what I'm talking about. But if you keep watching, you will definitely understand everything that I'm doing. It's pretty easy, not so easy though, but like for beginners, but then you can definitely learn from this. So you see me burning the tip of the hair. That's where I burn the tip. And this is the Goddess Fauxlocs, by the way. guys, from here you see what I am doing. I already made the individual braids, and then I'm putting in the hair. After crocheting the hair in, you just need to make sure that they are not equal. You need to make one side longer than the other side, so just as long as your hair, you want your hair to be, that is how you make it. Make one side, make it unequal, make one side longer than the other. The same thing that you'll be doing with your Cuban twist hair. You put it in, and then you make sure one side is longer than the other side, and then that after doing that, I hold everything together and use the smaller part of the Cuban twist to like go sideways, like put it over on the other side, and then like they have to go in opposite directions. I don't know if you understand that, but you will definitely see here they have to go in opposite directions. You place the other one right, let me say to your left, and then the one you use in twisting, in braiding down, you place it right to your right, where you keep going down that way. I just hope this makes sense. I mean, it should make sense. So just a quick one, if you know that you're really tender-headed, or that you have a very sensitive scalp, this hairstyle is not for you. I would really just like to put this out there, because most people have, like I do, I have a very sensitive scalp, and I have a very I'm tender-headed, so I can't like endure this. If you know you're too tender-headed, or you can't endure any form of pain, or you like your scalp is very sensitive, don't try doing this at all. Just look for other hairstyles for you. There are so many hairstyles out there, this mustn't be the one. So just look for, even though I know it's not like, when I braid people's hair, they always say my hand is not painful, it's just cool and just there, but there are other braiders out there that their hands are really like painful, and it's like strong, and I don't know, but just if you have a sensitive scalp, it's better you just stay off. So after doing this is what I do. I like wrap it up and then burn it. That's the way you get it to not to lose, so that way you know it's secure and tight. So the same thing I'll be doing here. This is where I'm really, because this is like the front of her hair, this is where I'm really showing it up real good. So this is it. You make sure it's not equal, make sure one side is longer than the other side, and then you do the same thing with the Cuban twist hair. Make sure the one side is longer than the other side, so everything matches up, you know. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope you are learning from this video. If you are, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and share it with your family and friends if you find it interesting and informative, educative, you know. Just share the video, and please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and hit the bell right there, so you know whenever I post my videos. I always post videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, just so you know. So just keep watching, and you definitely see. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Oh my god, I love this hair so much. I love this. So we are done now. There's no need putting it in hot water, there's no need dipping it in hot water or boiling it or doing whatever. This is just it. Just if you have any excess hair, which any stray hairs, which is usually not common, this is the way the hair should be. It's normal, and this is it. I just try to make everything clean, everything neat, you know. I'm just like that. I just love my things being perfect and clean. So that's just me doing my making everything look perfect, you know. So this is the result, guys. This is how the hair looks. I hope you liked my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is really beautiful. For bookings, and any other thing, any business email, anything, I have my email down below, so click on that link and send me that email so we get working. Okay, so for anything, just send me an email and I got you. So that's it. She's so happy. You can tell she's really happy. I love her hair. It's really beautiful. So guys, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and family, like give this video a big thumbs up. She's really happy. She loves her hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.